Hello guys, here's a new episode from HCS with a restoration from my Volkswagen single cabin 1982 T3. Enjoy, stay here. So, and I have to make a little cutout here to fit it in. So it fits, so it's just fitting, and it's only to weld it in position, and then I'm ready with that piece, and then I go further on with inner seal. I take Hey guys, today I'm starting up with putting marks over the whole linear for where I make the welding spots and where I can drill in the holes. Okay, it's been every 4 centimeters. Just put my other glasses. So we're starting here. In 15, 25, 30, 35, 40, 40. I put marks on every 5 centimeters so that I can get them proper distance. Look here, I think I found the problem why it won't fit at once. Measurements takes a little time, so be patient please and follow up. Okay, thank you. I think the problem is here. Try again. Seems to me also here. And that fits. here and there. So here I have to mark the punching holes to weld exactly into the inner seal. Okay, looks good. Ik gebruiken we er niet. Zo. Put it out again. Okay, there. I have to grip away small places to get a good and effective welding. That's here. There. You have to remove the coating, well, else you don't get a quite efficient weld. Here. Oh, two more. There. So, I did just prepared these spots before I weld it. I have to weld it later because first now I weld in this piece there to cover. I take off the camera. So that I can cover the place here. This patch I made new and made a form. So this is connecting later on this part in here again. When I'm done with the connection plate into the sitting compartment. So that's so far. I will try also make some welding points here, and then afterwards I can weld in the total inner seal. So that is all for the moment, and I say, see you.